Cola.
Hi, Anna. Morning. Good. Yes, I can hear you clearly. I see, no problem. It's all clear. Yes. Um, I'll share my screen. So I'll just discuss with you what happened and then what we're gonna do to update the company code. Here, so I have my email on my left side and one just on the right side. Can you see my screen now? Alright, cool. Yes, this open one just first. So the changing of company code is quite tricky because we're already in the fourth stage of your onboarding. So it surpassed different reviews already from different approvers, especially in the second stage, which is the parallel stage. Open it, please. Here. Here. So what we have reviewed your onboarding, and so far only three of the assessments: identified vendor, this one, the questionnaire where also needs to be open and updated, and also the confirmed data privacy. So there are questions inside this assessment that has the company code in which we are need. Yeah. So I'll show you one for the confirmed data privacy. So these information are being pre-populated based on the first assessment, which is the identified vendor. So they are being captured in the provide details and confirm data privacy. So right now I opened the confirm data privacy. As you can see, it captured the Cambridge Consulting 8110. So we need to open this as well. But before we do that, we need to reopen the first assessment to reflect the changes. I'll just go into them one by one. I know it's a long steps. I hope you didn't get overwhelmed. I'll just go through the first step. We would need to reopen this assessment, identify vendor. So you would need to update 2.8. This one. Yes. Yes. We just need your confirmation. Since you have provided your confirmation, I'll reopen this, and then once you update the change, the company code to GPG, two questions will appear. That's 2.9 and 3.2, and you would need to update that as well, because these questions will reflect in the questionnaire. Alright, and then I'll go to the next one. And as you can see in the second step, I mentioned we need to move the workflow to the first stage. We will not go to restart the whole process. We just need to tweak the workflow. Yeah, but we don't need to restart from the first step to the fourth step. So we just need to do it. The reason why we need to move the workflow to the first stage, because there are updates from the questionnaire and also the identified vendor. So based from your responses and the vendor's responses, once we move the workflow to the second stage, it might trigger questions for these assessment or approvers for the procurement team, sustainability, environment, health and safety. But this depends on vendor's response or your answer for this question. I think it's in 3.2. Yes, I think it depends if what's your response to 1.4 and the identify vendor. If you like, I can reopen the questionnaire now. I mean this form, and you can update it right now if you like. Yeah, sure, I'll do it. Cool, no problem. I think it would be better we do it right now. So I'm just reopening it. So reopening an assessment, it's only us, the technical owners of OneTrust, and also few of our
Sorry
project
for the
owners.
cat meowing.
But it would be better if you just
That's
read the
my
ticket and you'll be providing the steps on how to do it, or guide you how to edit it. Together, submit it. Let's see. So I'll stop sharing my screen and you can share yours. You should be able to receive an email from OneTrust. Yeah, you can launch it. Yes, you can. And then yeah, unselect that, and then 6.9 will appear. So you will need to select the purchasing board. For the business question, I cannot answer 100%. Sorry about that. Alright. Okay, and then there's another one that appeared in goods and services. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, sure. Yeah, so that's the question that I've been mentioning. So this question, now 3.2, if you answered it with yes UK and yes UK other countries, the, then we'll check if it will trigger the questions that I mentioned in the questionnaire. And then if it will trigger those questions, the vendor needs to answer them. Let's see. Since we're doing it together, yeah, submit. Since all of the questions have been answered. Then I'll share my screen. Especially. When I reopen this, Anna, so vendor will be notified. So in case they contact you, just inform them to ignore the first email notification. I'll be opening it now.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna play games. So
I'll copy the responses that we did before in the first form.
here. Okay, so what should we play? Okay. Bye. I love you
Select
guys.
yes UK, right?
Peace. Bye.
Okay.
I see you soon. Don't forget to like and
These
subscribe.
questions